Hello and welcome. You watching Business Today. This is Astha Chopra, and what you're seeing here is the advanced drone. And finally, the RRP Group has introduced a new manufacturing facility for drones in India. For that, we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Rajendra Charnokar, who is the chairperson of RRP Defence Limited. One of my most important questions is, please tell us about your partnership. What will the strategic plan will be going forward, and how important is this for India?
I think I was mentioning in my speech as well when I spoke that this is going to be one of the most unique partnerships, because I think I have never seen till date a partnership which is offering a 100% commitment, not only in terms of technology but also in terms of producing everything in-house. So which means we are very near to 100% indigenization. What we probably are not going to make now are the chips that go onto the autopilot, the main cards, the main circuit boards. But I feel when they saw a semiconductor facility, they realized that if they have the wafers, we could roll it out into chips and we could use the same chip for the drone. So eventually in the coming times, once we have the production facility ready, I think we should be 100% indigenized drone. And more importantly, we will be 30% cheaper than any other international drone. And that's their commitment from SIGAR rather than RRP, actually.
Well, the price point is the basic infrastructure about defense system as well. You also mentioned about the semiconductors. I want to know what are the specifications that RRP is putting into this collaboration, your specification and their specification. Can you differentiate between to understand it better?
Oh yes, I think what we had was actually, there was a big gap. Today we were talking about even drones running at 150 kilometers per hour, and we think that we've done a great job. But I think what they can do is almost 3 times, 4 times faster, and which is what is going to be a big asset to India, which is what India is looking for. Because I think if you see very clearly, our Prime Minister has announced a 20,000 crore fund for emergency procurement for drones. And what he has done actually is taken all the evolving technology that could come over the next 1 year. So he's taking care of that. And I think whatever the specifications that have been laid down were very strategic in nature. But I think all those are well attained and well achieved by SIGAR. And all those will be demonstrated. So we're trying to do a quick demonstration next month also to show one of the most sophisticated drones that they have ever produced. It will take us 4 months to have the production facility ready, but once we do that, I think we're going to be on top in terms of offering the best technology, competitive price, and continue to offer upgradations because of the dedicated R&D that they have set up, and which they are going to be for 7 years. But George says that it's going to be longer actually. That's a symbolic way of saying it.
Well, that's good. But that's good to hear. Also, how do you plan to integrate this new manufacturing facility, which is joining the defense system? Also, are you in talks with DRDO or any defense system for this?
I think we right now, with the support that SIGAR has, with the technology that SIGAR has, they are happy that we are both together. I think that meets the needs. We'll have their team placed here for the next 12 months. At least a group of 10 or 12 persons who will be constantly training our team, and there'll be programs with team going back to France and coming back. But I think we two are a good lethal combination to meet all the emerging and the evolving needs, for sure.
Just last question before I let you go. Any plans for expansions as well in the future? Will we see more manufacturing facilities for the growth of the defense system?
Yes, our target is to at least build 3,000 drones per month. That's the production facility we are planning. That's what SIGAR has. And it's not only dealing with the Indian, but I think they feel that holding such capacities will help us to address the global needs, and we will be the forerunners.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.